What is up, you guys? So we're actually heading over to the homie. Oh my god, they really boxed my car in like that? Sheesh. For sure. We're not taking the Z today. We're gonna go install a Wisefab kit today, which is pretty exciting. For those that know drifting, Wisefab is everyone's favorite or just dream angle kit that some people just, can't afford, because you guys know, they're pretty pricey. They're like $2,500 for a full-on kit. But anyways, we'll be installing one of those today. We won't be installing it on my Z. It's actually gonna be on the homie Z. He has a 370Z, I have a 350, but we're about to head over. I won't bore you guys too much. We'll see how far we can get, just cause I know we don't have all the tools for it. I think we just need those extended Allen keys, but we'll see how far we can get today. All right. Seeing this full Z makes me want to trade mine for a 370. Something I didn't mention is that we might end up drifting the Z. The Corvette thing might wait until I get more seat time, but I might just drift the Z. Sheesh, boy balled out. Do you have the Allen wrenches? We'll probably need them eventually just for the ball joint part.
For the tie rod?
For tie rod, and I think it was the part that connects to the, was it the upper arm?
Oh, these ones.
Oh yeah, those are the ones, yeah. You need like a fat Allen wrench, but we'll see how far we can get. Shout out to Wisefab. He got this for free because he sponsored. No, we wish. one day. I don't think I've introduced, well actually I haven't introduced this car yet, but this is the homie's new drift car. Some of you guys might recognize this from up north, but shout out to Chris. I'll tag him right here.
Want to see my last one?
Oh, ¿sabes? Sheesh. For the actual OG subscribers that I've watched the other video, you guys saw our bad luck with the LS. Give it a RIP in the comments. Dude, check out how fucking clean this thing is. Honestly, if it wasn't for the Sparco seat, this thing would look like it's, oh, and the Hydro, it would look like it's straight out of the dealership. I don't know anyone else in this area that's rocking a Wisefab kit. You're probably gonna be like one of the very few. And if they are, they're probably like in competition, which is personally why I'm super stoked on this. For those that roasted me in the comments last time for a sock check, quick little sock check. What do you think, Rosie? That passed the sock, oh, all right. I guess I didn't pass the sock check. All right, I'm not gonna be filming every little step because a lot of you guys probably already gone under a suspension for a 350Z, but I'll be filming for the most part. Making process, making progress.
The fuck you mean making process?
Making process. Sheesh, freaking Christmas morning. Except you gotta pay for it. Dude, imagine having such cool parents that you actually wake up to this for a Christmas present.
You'll be really fucking rich. This shit costs more than a fucking baby. You have a 19?
Sake, I should, yeah.
Can I help you? Can I help you? What the fuck? She's a tight one, all right?
Just gotta spit on it, bro.
Oh, yeah?
Little sock check, fool.
Like that?
It's just like how you just did a second ago. That upper corner's gotta go a tiny bit more up. There you go. A ver ahora? Oh, wait, no.
Bro.
Ahí está, compita. ¿Qué buscas?
My fucking life. She's missing.
It's missing a few bolts.
More than that. What are you doing on Sunday?
Sure to be chilling, to be honest.
Come with me to Rosarito.
You're gonna have room for tires and everything?
Well, that's why I'm gonna have you drive my truck.
Yeah, fuck it. All right, so it looks like we're actually going to Mexico Sunday. So put this thing to test, or yeah, we'll test the thing. Well, Chris will test this thing out.
Yeah, you alright?
It's that movie called Adam Sandler. Whatever, I'll put that scene right here.
Today, Junior?
What the fuck, I'm sweating, I'm not doing shit. I said this earlier in the video, but we weren't gonna get to all of it just because I knew we probably wouldn't have that Allen key. So we'll get that done probably, for you guys it'll be like in 2 seconds, but But we're gonna get as far as we can on the other side and call it a day. I probably won't be filming too much on the other side because again, everything on that side is basically the same on this side, so there's no point of making a really long video for you guys. Shout out to that plane. So again, I probably won't be filming too much on the other side. We're just gonna try to get this done as quick as possible. Tomorrow we'll get the knuckles on and everything. All right, now I can say we did it instead of just Chris. I'm kidding, I didn't do much, but I at least took off or dismounted this whole assembly. But we're gonna start putting a little bit of the Wise Fab on. Then we're gonna press this bitch out and we'll go from there. For those that are actually doing the same angle kit on 370Z, just know you're probably gonna struggle with this little part right here. That's just a bitch. So basically, they feel like they're too close together, so you just gotta finesse it in there and it'll eventually go in. All right, so we didn't really think about this clearly. Well, I'm gonna give you guys a heads up. If you guys are doing this, coilover should go on what last, I guess, at this point, just because you're not gonna be able to get that bolt inside the upper arm. I don't know about that side, but that side for sure won't. Save you guys some time. Just about everything but the knuckle is on. Same with this side. Again, we just don't have those Allen keys, so we're gonna do that tomorrow, but for you guys, it'll be like in 2 seconds.
Wait. Leave it. Go full lock.
That's gnarly. All right, so Chris got the knuckle on. Tie rods are all in. It's about ready. They'll be tested out actually tomorrow. That'll be a different video for sure. You're going tomorrow? I was like, hell yeah, dude. Fuck yeah, let's do it. Gotta put this shit to the test.
Both of them.
Oh yeah, you're gonna be sliding yours too?
Yeah.
Sick ass, cool.
I got my builder right here.
And my builder. I don't think I've actually showed you guys this car in the channel, but oh wait, actually no, I think yeah, the last video actually at the last drift event. This is the same exact one. It might look a little different, but
This is
no
straight sideways.
mames.
You know that video, the 240 in the rain, crab walking?
Yeah, that's exactly what he's gonna be able to do. That's nuts. Jesus. Oh, stop.
Oh, you ain't drifting on these fenders. You ain't drifting on these fenders,
Damn.
boy. These shits are coming off.
Alright, so basically we need the coilover wrenches to raise the car a little bit. That and over fenders, but we might just skip the over fenders, just raise the car monster truck status just to cross the border and get to the actual drift event. But Wise Fab kit is on. Knuckle, upper arms, lower arms, whatever that thing is called back there, but all mounted. We're just loading up for the drift event, prepping everything, tires, about to get some tires mounted, and we're off to the drift event.